Vanakkam Sulaika Narupa Iyer Pesre, director of Chandra film, and also I'm a producer. Being an Iyer, it was my dream to do a Tamil film. Innikku enna padathoda audio release irukku. Romba santoshama irukku because I have a very beautiful team. When I wanted a good looking girl to play a princess role, I found Shreya, and when I wanted a smart guy to play Shreya's brother, who's a comedian, I found Padma Shri Vivek. Aprima, the main important person, the hero of the film, I wanted a guy with a moustache, with a six-pack, who's manly looking. I found Prem, a handsome hero Prem, who's famous there in Kannada film industry. It's a bilingual film made in Tamil and Kannada, and all of them have done a wonderful job. It was my dream to do a film like a painting. Every scene, every shot has to be like that. That's why I took care of art direction and costume designing, everything. Today when people come here and say oh, your song is so beautiful, it has done so well, I feel so happy because whatever the problems we went through, we forget about that and we feel happy. And our music director Gautam Srivatsa, he has done a wonderful job. He started his career at the age of 18 and he has given a beautiful 6 tracks. It has a kuttu song, a classical song, romantic song, western song, ellame irukku. Neengale ellame paathittu apprama sollunga eppadi irukku. Thank you. எனக்கு ஷூட்டிங் ஸ்பாட்டில் மறக்க முடியாத விஷயங்கள்னா நான் கத்துறது எப்பவுமே கற்றுட்டே இருந்தேன் பிகாஸ் எல்லாமே நானே பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். அது பாரு இது பாரு இது பண்ணு அது பண்ணுன்னுட்டு. ஸோ இட் வாஸ் ஸோ டிஃபிகல்ட். அப்புறமா ஹேண்ட்லிங் ஆல் பிக் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் விஜயகுமார் சார் பண்ணியிருந்தா, சுகன்யா மேடம் இருந்தா, கணேஷ் வெங்கட்ராமன், ஸ்ரீயா, பிரேம், விவேக் எல்லாருமே ஹேண்டில் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப they were like a friends, but still it was difficult for me to handle the production. எங்களுடைய production house ஆயிடுது. So also as a costume designer and art director, it took a lot of energy from me. So but I still remember good times. Vivek sir always used to make fun and with a sense of humor, he used to make me laugh when I was crying. So that was a beautiful moment. Thank you.